bago natin ituloy ang luto natin, i-welcome muna natin ang ating mga kapuso. Welcome dito sa Cooking with the Stars. Kami ni Chef Maricel ang mga kasama ninyo today. Humihingi lang ako ng mga ilang cooking tips dito kay Chef. At ngayon pa lang, bago pa tayo nagsimula talaga formally, ang dami ko nang natutunan. Kaya feeling ko, pag tinanong ko si Chef, Chef, baka may tips ka on pampatangkad.
Nako, maganda kasi, alam mo Grace, ang recipe natin ngayon ay talagang pampatangkad at napaka-nutritious.
Kita mo na, I knew it. Ibang level talaga si Chef. Pero, di lang po ako ang makikinabang sa pampatangkad na recipe ni Chef. Kasi isang celebrity mom na concerned din sa paglaki ng kids niya ang nandito ngayon. Let's meet our cooking star of the day.
Siya ang nag-iisang soul diva. Mataas na nota, kaya niyang abutin. At bilang hands-on mama, ayaw niyang height ng mga anak ay mabitin. Kaya naman, agad-agad, tuturuan siya ng reseping nagpapatangkad. Our cooking star of the day, soul diva, Jaya.
Hi, Grace!
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you so much. Hi,
Hello.
Chef! Thank you so much for inviting me. Alam niyo naman, as a mom, malaki talaga yung may tutulong sa akin ito. Kasi alam niyo na, priority ko talaga yung kagandahan namin. Sunod lang ang tangkad. Pero syempre, importante sa mga anak ko dahil so cute sila. Gusto ko rin silang tumangkad. So, I need a little help.
Yes, and I'm sure our chef here will be able to teach us and teach you new recipes talaga, pangpatangkad. Ano ba itong recipe natin, Chef?
Ang recipe natin today ay ang chicken pastel fried rice.
Ngayon ko lang narinig yan.
Oo,
Chicken
diba?
pastel, pero fried rice.
Di ba ulam yun?
Yes,
Okay.
makita nyo mamaya yung ating gagawin.
Okay,
Kunin ko
Chef.
muna yung aking mga ingredients.
Alright, see?
So mga kapuso, kunin ko ng ating mga ingredients. Unahin ko ang Magnolia Gold Butter. And then yung ating Magnolia All-Purpose Flour. Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk. And then yung ating main ingredient, ang Magnolia Fresh Chicken Breast Filet. And ang gagamitin natin sa ating fried rice, ang Star Garlic Margarine. Kailangan din natin sa ating chicken pastel, ang Magnolia Quick Melt Cheese. Tara na, magluto na tayo.
Okay, Chef, so I'll chop the chicken.
Yes.
Ayan.
Sisimulan ko na yung first part kasi 2 parts itong recipe
Okay.
natin. We will first make yung chicken pastel part
Okay.
and then mamaya gagawin naman natin yung ating fried rice.
Ang chicken na ginagamit natin dito for this recipe, chicken breast, no?
Yes, chicken breast
Kailangan
filet.
talaga.
Ito ay ino-offer ng Magnolia Chicken Station.
Tama.
Yan.
Yun yung maganda sa Magnolia Chicken Station kasi you don't have to buy the whole chicken.
Everything's there, no?
Yes,
All the
nakahiwa
pieces,
na,
yeah.
Diba?
Yes,
Naka-ready na. So, it makes our job easier at home.
Sobrang,
Diba?
Sobrang easy, promise.
And then, mag-melt lang tayo ng konting butter.
Okay.
And then, saute lang tayo ng chopped onions.
Chopped onions. Okay.
Yung sinlice nating potatoes and carrots, ang ginawa ko lang, binlanch ko lang siya. Binoil ko siya sandali
Tapos na.
para mas mabilis yung cooking natin, no? Potatoes and the carrots. Yan. Pwede na nating ilagay yung ating sliced magnolia
Yaha.
fresh chicken.
Okay, so
we'll
yes.
add the rest of the vegetables. So, Jaya,
Ako dito.
you want to add yung bell peppers?
Okay.
Ay, ba? Sus Maria Josep, ano kayo, ha? Ano yung police?
So, Miss Jaya, we're going to ask you a question.
Okay.
There is a question inside. So, you have to pick one.
Oh,
Maybe
sige.
you can crack it open. Okay. Sino kina Sabria and Dylan ang feeling mo mas nagmana sa'yo?
I'd say Sabria. First, she looks like me. She has curly hair. She's almost 6, pero she's been really kind of singing. Yung marunong, may tono, since she was a year old.
Hindi pa siya nagsasalita, kumakanta na siya. Ano yung favorite song niyang kantahin? Of
Dati?
course.
Mine?
Yes.
Alam niya yung mga kinakanta namin sa Party Pilipinas, pero alam din niya yung original
Songs
songs.
niyo.
Yung Wala na bang pag-ibig? Yun, she sings that. I think she'll really do well in singing, pero syempre school, priority.
So, nilagay ko na rin yung ating mushrooms.
Yes.
Meron akong all-purpose flour from Magnolia. Mineasure ko na to kanina. Nagiging parang pasty
Yes.
yung mixture natin, no? Okay lang yan.
Ano po yung ingredient dito sa recipe natin na pampatangkad siya?
Yung sa recipe natin, di ba meron tayong part na fried rice. Yun talaga yung lalagyan natin ng star na talagang pampatangkad kasi it's rich in vitamin A and B vitamins, no? Very good with metabolism.
And this one, this
This
dish
one
in
is-
particular, very rich in protein.
Yes, so with our Magnolia chicken there, plus meron tayong mga vegetables na nilagay din, like carrots. Yan.
And the bell pepper,
Yun ang sabi ko sa'yo, gusto ko yun eh. Oo,
Favorite niya
masarap.
pala yung bell pepper.
Oh,
And a lot of
okay.
people don't know, bell peppers, mas mataas ang vitamin C content ng bell pepper kaysa sa lemon or oranges.
And this one, because we also added, nilagay ko na yung ating Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk. It's also rich in calcium. So it also helps, sa bone strength. Para pag tumangkad tayo, very strong pa rin ang ating bone.
Okay. Alam ko mga viewers natin ngayon na nagsusulat na ng recipe ang ating ingredients.
Tama.
Pero you know what? Ipapakita rin namin ang buong recipe later at the end of the show. At you can also get these recipes sa mygreatfood.com. Pwede rin po sa www.gmanetwork.com/cookingwiththestars.
Okay, so season lang natin, salt, pepper.
Yeah, I'm a
Ayan.
pepper girl. There you go. And a little bit of
Okay.
soup, please.
So yan, so
Thank
fix
you.
na yung ating pastel. Alright, so ready na yung ating chicken pastel. We're going to make naman the fried rice. So yung ating wok.
Feeling ko, Chef, ito na yung pinakamadaling paraan para mapakain ng mga bata ng vegetable.
Vegetable.
Yes,
And
oo.
on top of that, pagpasarap pa dito, yung star margarine. And this is rich in
Vitamin A and E vitamin. So talagang good for the eyes, pampatangkad din. Yan. So chopped onions.
Do it. Kanta tayo.
Joya, pabit na
Soprano, alto.
Yes, I'll be the sous chef. Yan, dalawa lang.
Okay. Tapos yung ating green peas.
Maraming tao, hindi nila kinakain yung egg yolk kasi daw pampataba. But a lot of people don't know that it's actually good cholesterol. So it's the cholesterol that our body actually
Hindi nga.
needs. Oo, totoo
I love
yun.
egg. At naman dilaw. It's the margarine. Yay! Which is also good for you. So,
Oh, you have the solution now to your kids. So salt and pepper din, Chef?
Yan.
Yan.
Okay?
Ready to plate na, Chef? Para mukhang tapos na
Yes,
tayo.
we're
Ano ba
done.
to?
Assembly na lang tayo. So,
the
lagay
goodies
na
in
natin
one
tong
plate.
ating fried rice.
dapat may
Ayan.
team song yan. Cooking with the stars.
Wait, can you sing it for us?
Ano na, joke ka? Wala kayong team song.
Ay, kailangan
My
meron,
gosh.
tama.
Cooking with the stars.
Oh, ayun na. Yun
Wala
na
nang
yun.
joke.
Yun na yun. Yun na. So, Chef, eto, itatopping natin ng
Magnolia Quick Melt Cheese.
Ay, nako, my husband and my kids love cheese because ang husband ko from Washington State. So lahat doon, milk, cheese, cheese. You wanna do it or me?
You go ahead.
This? The big one? All right.
The big one, of course.
Lambot.
We want big chunks of the quick melt. Wow. Parang, ito na yung pinaka-crust.
Oh my God, nagme-melt na.
Tayo,
Yes,
cheese
oo.
crust tayo. Cheese crust.
Nag-melt na siya agad-agad,
O, diba?
ah.
Talagang, it's the
nagkakalat
quickest
ako,
melting
ha?
cheese.
Pero, if you want it to brown pa, pwede
Yeah,
mo
paano
i-pop sa
yun?
toaster.
Oh, oven toaster. Basta make sure yung mag-fit yung inyong container.
And there goes our very creamy and nutritious chicken pastel fried rice.
Yun naman, yung tikman na natin kasi gutom na ako kanina
Oo,
pa, no?
syempre.
Naglalaway, hello.
Ako rin, ako
Okay.
rin. So,
Same plate or what?
ano, tigisa tayo. Pag
Oh my
mag-away
God!
tayo, sayang eh.
Kala ko pa naman close na
Hindi ako,
tayo.
Ayoko magpapag-away.
Sige, akin to. Ikaw, chef.
Sige, go ahead.
So, hindi pinansin si Chef, tigisa tayo.
Bye. You know what? Nag-complement talaga yung cheese and the chicken. But then the garlic in the garlic in
The fried
the
rice.
fried rice
Yeah.
na galing nga lang sa margarine. Wala, ang lakas nung garlic.
And sure ka na kahit may vegetables dyan,
Sarap.
kakainin ng mga bata kasi rich, creamy, meaty.
You can also get these recipes sa www.mygreatfood.com at sa www.gmanetwork.com/cookingwiththestars.
Nako, creamy and cheesy, so I'm sure magugustuhan pa ito ng mga anak ko. Pati na ng jowa ko. My mister. Yes. But, joking aside, itsura pa lang niya, alam kong this is going to be loved by my kids. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
At habang nagpapatangkad din kami dito, ourselves, magpapaalam na muna kami mga kapuso. Till next time, samahan niyo ulit kami dito sa Cooking with the Stars.
Let's eat Cooking with the Stars!
ka na